Hi guys, I hope you covered all the video previously and we have done mostly all of thing in the Power BI data model. Let's do it assignment regarding the hierarchies. So let's suppose you're working as a data analyst or Power BI developer and you got a message from your analytics teams that they want some granularity in the year, date, month extra. So let's read the message what we got for doing this assignment. So since we are doing a lots of time series analysis, so we need to add the hierarchy to the data model so that user can quickly view the trends of any level of granularity in year, month, date, extra. So what is our key objective here? So key objective is create a new hierarchy based on the start of the year's field and name is a date hierarchy. Right click the or drag eight add fields until your hierarchy contains is following this orders. First, start of the years, start of the month, start of the week and date. And third one is add your new hierarchy to the matrix visual on row and practice drilling up and drilling down between the each level of the granularity. So let's take the solution of it. The solution is like we need to create a date hierarchy in this order. Let's jump on the Power BI and do it the practical way. I'll open the Power BI and open the hierarchy, control lookup, check who's the topmost one. This is a top hierarchy, date hierarchy, right? Give the name, rename it as a date hierarchy, right? And then what is the next? Is a month, is a quarter or month. Let's do a quarter. Add hierarchy, okay. Let's move little bit more. See, two rings there. Let's put the month also in this hierarchy. Month is there. Week, week is there, and then date, date is there in the hierarchy. So you can see hierarchy like this. We didn't require the quarter, but I put the quarter here. Let's move the. I don't want to read this. Anyway, let it be. This is the hierarchical way. You don't want, we put some extra here, put it there, remove the hierarchy from here, the date hierarchy in the row, and put the oh. You can see this is the different uh, format. So we can also do the format thing. The date, click here, and the date format this way and this way, whatever we want. Let's do it in this way. Start of the main, start the quarter, all thing would be whatever we want, we can do that. Like this way, start of the week. Okay, anything else we need to do? I think all done. Go there and check. See the format. Now drill down quarter, drill down month, start with the month. Month would be, let's format it the month. Start with the month. Month is looks like this way. Okay. So this is the month. Mold it down week or up. We can do it. Or we can hierarchy like this. So this is our assignment. Let's try to understand more best practice part in the Power BI data model. So I'll open it, the best practice. So see, the focus when you making the data model, what we need to remember for the best practice is focus on the building in normal model from the starting, right? So leverage the relationship and the make sure your each table serve the clear and distinct purpose, right? So must be if your model would be normalized in a simple way, so it will be easy to extract all the thing. And organize the dimension table above the date table in your model. This survey visual reminder that filter always show a downstream, and avoid the complex relationship until it's absolutely necessary. Always aim to one to many table relationship and one way to filter whenever is it possible. And other thing, hide fields from the report view to the prevent invalid filter from the context. So always focus report user to filter using the primary key from the dimension table, right? So these are the best practices part. And now our data model series is closed. Let's try to do is a different thing in Power BI. So next topic would be the DEX. So stay tuned. We'll cover all thing in the Power BI from the Z to the advanced level. So slowly we are moving toward the smart advanced level thing. So stay tuned.